Today's Ecotravel deal is the Conscious Hotel Vondelpark, which is located in Amsterdam West, and is near the airport and near a metro station. It is a comfortable, eco-certified hotel near Museum Square. The Van Gogh Museum and Stedelijk Museum are cultural highlights, and some of the area's notable landmarks include Leidseplein and Museum Square. Looking to enjoy an event or a game while in town? See what's happening at Olympic Stadium or Ziggo Dome. With boat tours and swimming nearby, you'll find plenty of adventures in the water. With over 1,000 reviews, this is a very popular and affordable hotel. One of the recent reviewers gave it a 10 out of 10 rating and said it was quirky, fun hotel near interesting restaurants and just a very short walk to beautiful Vondelpark. Located right on a tram line, you can get to and from the airport quickly and easily on one train, one tram. Great healthy breakfast, definitely worth the extra few dollars. Helpful staff, on-site coffee bar, and even a wooden hula hoop in our room. Please find the link to this deal in the description below.